This video is meant to help users download and navigate through my data visualization entry into the GE and Circle of Blue World Water Day visualization. In this video, I want to cover two things. The first will be how to access my data entry or my visualization, and the second is to show you how to navigate through the visualization. So first, to help you install this, first you need to do is make sure you have Google Earth installed on your computer. To do that, you can open a browser and in the address window type earth.google.com and it will redirect you here to this site. Next, you will click on the Download Google Earth 6 and follow the instructions to make sure you have Google Earth installed on your computer. Once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is follow my blog, which is Michael J. Rubillo, spelled RUBILLO.posterous.com. Once you've gotten there, go to March 13th, my March 13th post, and you'll see this is the World Water Day Visualization Challenge. Underneath the graphic are instructions on how to open the model in Google Earth. If you follow these instructions, it will have you right-click on this link of the model link, save link as, and open it through Google. However, most users should be able to just click on this link and have it automatically open in Google Earth, similar to this. Download it here, click on it, and it automatically opens Google Earth and will display my layers of data as well. Now to help you navigate through this visualization. First thing you need to notice is here, left of the Earth, are the keys to the three different layers that I have posted. The first one being the climate zone in the upper left-hand corner. In the middle, you'll see the country information key, and at the bottom, you will see the cities. To the left of the key, you will see under Places, and if you click next to the water project on the plus sign, it will drop down and show you the three layers that I've created. And what I'll do is I'll step through these three different layers. This first layer, the Earth's climate zones, is meant to display just what the current climate zones are, being the polar zone, the temperate zone, and the tropical zone. You can see where these break through the continents. And in the future, I would like to get other data sets to make this show the climate change throughout time and actually create a time-lapse image or video of how global warming is going to take affect these different climate zones. The next area is the countries of the world. So you can now click here. And what you'll see, the countries of the world are either going to be green or red. And here, according to the key, the countries that are green are countries where I had population and water data information. Countries that are red are countries where I had no data to display. So, just to give you an example, if you click on a country, and here I'll use the United States as my example, first you'll have a pop-up display. In the pop-up, you'll see two customized graphics, so every country in the world has their own graphics created. And the top graphic is, or depicts, what the average person in that country uses water-wise on an average year. So here in the United States, an average person uses 63.98% of the water that is held in an Olympic-sized swimming pool every year. If you look here to the left in the key, you will see the sizes and the dimensions of the Olympic pool, just so you can have a good reference. And it also breaks down the amount that is used every year into how it is used. So 12.7% is used for domestic use, 41.26% is used for agricultural use, and 46.404% is used for industrial use. And as you click through the countries, you'll see every country has their own customized graphic. The next graphic here is what I call a tree ring diagram that shows the population growth over time. The innermost circle of every circle represents the year 1950, and the outermost circle of every circle represents the year 2030. So the population, you can see in this type of diagram, shows a steady growth from 1950, projected all the way out to 2030. If you click on another country, and let's say, for example, here Cuba, first thing you'll notice is here the upper graphic showing water use has been changed as well, so you'll see the different percentages broken down accordingly. But down at the bottom, the tree ring diagram will show you when it has a cutout, that means that there has been at least 1 year within this projection that has had negative population growth, and those are highlighted in red. Now, unfortunately, these graphics cannot display to size here in Google Earth, but here on the right-hand side of these graphics, you will see these are actually breakdowns of every year, pointing out which ring represents what year. Red ones, again, display negative population growth. The population of each ring is also displayed here in the center, and farthest to the right of this description is the difference between the previous year's projection and this year's projection. And the third layer I created was cities of the world. This data set I picked off of Wikipedia, and the cities that are displayed, or urban areas that are displayed, are the ones that meet their criteria for a city or urban area. What I thought was interesting about plotting these data points to a map was showing where the population is in accordance to its nearest water source. So as you can see, when I zoom out, a majority of the populations are on coastlines or near rivers and lakes. So over time, what you'll be able to see is these may or may not change according to how the water tables change because of climate change. If you have any questions or you'd like to see any of the images that are presented on the countries, please feel free to contact me. I can give those to you at full size so you can see the tables to the right-hand side. Also here, if you want to see any instructions of what these numbers mean, just click on the countries of the world. You will see the graphics and directions on exactly what each number represents and how it is broken down. And down here at the bottom, here are the circle ring diagrams. And I think I've also included my email address right here. So if you want these graphics, please feel free to contact me. Thank you, and enjoy exploring.